I don't think AI is good enough to solve a CTF, which is probably something I shouldn't be saying because I've been using AI for pretty much everything lately. I've used it to write code, fix my code when I broke it, explain my code after I broke it, and now it's writing the script. I've been seeing these AI models get better and better at cybersecurity, and eventually I started wondering how much of that actually holds up when you give them a machine they've never seen before. Because it's easy to ask an AI what is SQL injection and get a very nice and long answer. It's a little different when you give it an IP address and say, there's your machine, get the flag, get the results. That's what I want to try. I'm going to give it the information it asks for, run the commands it wants me to run, and see what it does with the results. Which is slightly concerning because if it tells me to do something stupid, I'm the one sitting here with the keyboard. So that's probably going to work out really well, and that's exactly why I want to do this. Okay, so this is TryHackMe and this is my profile. I'm very famous, guys. I have 2 followers. I don't know who these guys are. And I'm currently ranked top 3%. That's a good achievement, I think. Without wasting time, we'll just go to challenges and we'll choose the difficulty as easy for the first box and the duration will be shortest. We also have our AI model ready to help us. I've got ChatGPT here, even though I'm popular, but I'm not so rich to have Claude subscription. So alright, enough jokes. I'll just go and select the first challenge that is not completed because all these 3 are completed. I did it, I don't know when. And shit, I've not opened my Kali Linux. So finally we have our Kali up and running. I've got the first machine open. This one is called MD2 PDF. It's supposed to be a pretty short challenge, so I'm not expecting this to take too long. We'll just take this thing, we'll copy all the instructions. We'll go back to our ChatGPT and we'll give the instructions about the room. Alright, so I think this MD2 or MD is Markdown and it converts to PDF, so that's why Markdown to PDF. Alright. Our first job is simply enumeration and understanding the application, not trying random payloads. Once the VM is fully booted, give me target IP, open the target in your browser and tell me what you see. This is the target IP. I'll just try to open it on my browser, but I know for a fact that it won't open. We'll go on to our Kali machine. We'll just run this. We'll give it the target IP. We'll just copy this because we'll do as the AI model says. We'll run it. Let's see what happens. Finally done. No response. Source detection performed. Man, what? Eventually I realized the problem. I was not connected to the TryHackMe VPN. Yes, I will take that. That's on me. That's what we were missing. Now Firefox. I think now our scan should work and the Nmap. So now we can see the website pretty much better. The website output, right? And we also need the Nmap output. We have some good output this time. That is going to work perfectly fine. Nmap output equals this whole thing. We've got a few ports open, port 22, port 80, and there's another service here that I'm going to let ChatGPT figure out. Run the curl command on port 80 and port 5000. Let's see what we get. We'll just copy and paste the commands, whatever the ChatGPT says, I'll follow it, no matter how rubbish it is. Did something happen? I can't see anything. Oh, I think this is stuck. Let's save the PDF so we can inspect it rather than dumping binary. And this is where things started taking a lot longer than I expected. The challenge itself is supposed to be pretty short. We have already been here for a while. ChatGPT has suggested a few different things. We have tried them all and we're still looking at the same machine. At this point, I'm starting to think we are missing something really obvious. Okay, we'll just do as it says. I think it's on the right direction, but let's see. I'm not even going to read all of that shit because I know half of that is useless. And it's trying to defend itself, I know. Because that's how ChatGPT is. It's very annoying. I feel like we are going in a totally wrong direction. It's not able to solve it, I think. Oh, something happened. Something did happen. Yes, something did happen. Finally, I can see a flag in here. Oh, it's actually interesting. I think we are close. I think we are close. I was about to give up. I was really about to give up. ChatGPT suddenly starts talking about port 5000. We had not been paying much attention on that before, and now it's suggesting that we look at how the application handles an iframe. This is the first time in a while where I thought, okay, this might actually be something we might actually find the flag. So we are going to try the iframe payload it suggested, point it at port 5000 and see what the application does with it. And then we use this. I think this command is supposed to do something. Oh. It actually found the flag. I was not expecting it to. We've been recording for 40 minutes and after 40 minutes it found the flag. I'll give it the credit that it did found the flag. At least it found the flag. Let's see if it is correct. It's correct. It's correct. I was really not expecting that. Actually, let's see the write-ups about the MD2 PDF challenge. Let's see how do other guys solve it. MD2 PDF. What? Walkthrough. Yep. Okay, so this guy used SSRF and the payload is this. Now if we paste this payload, this right here, into the input section and submit on convert to PDF button, it's actually not worked. Bad request. This page can be only seen internally. ChatGPT told us that. Now we can use it as leverage the SSRF vulnerability and view the admin directory on port 5000. Let's try this. This right here is the payload. We'll copy it and go to our machine. We'll paste it, convert to PDF. There's our flag. ChatGPT is too technical, it's not efficient. But if all of your processes or all the pen testing is automated and you don't have to manually type, copy, paste everything, then I think this can help you find out exploits and vulnerabilities in your system. I mean, that's my take. You can have a different opinion about that. I won't deny where credit is due. Like, it solved it. It solved it for us. I got the flag. The walkthrough took around 5 minutes and we took about 40 minutes. And that's probably the most useful part of this entire experiment. ChatGPT eventually got there, but getting there and getting there efficiently are two different things. AI has strengths and weaknesses. Going into this, I wanted to know whether AI could actually solve a CTF without someone feeding it the answer. And technically, yes, it got the flag. But I'm not exactly walking away thinking I can retire from CTFs yet. We took something that was supposed to be a 5-minute challenge and it turned into a 40-minute investigation. There were moments where ChatGPT was genuinely useful. It found the port 5000 clue, it connected that to the iframe exploit, and eventually it got us to the flag. But there were also plenty of moments where it repeated itself, went down the wrong path and needed me to keep feeding it information before it could move any forward. So I think the more interesting question isn't really can AI solve a CTF, because apparently it can. This was the easy challenge, 40 minutes. I'm not exactly eager to see what happens when I give it something harder, but I kind of want to find out. So I think that's what we'll do next. So for the time being, you can use AI to solve your CTFs. It will take time, but eventually you'll get there, and I'll see you in the next one.